Yes?
Really? Does he like cake?
Look at you. You're too cute. You're too
He's got a
cute.
look of anticipation on his face.
All right, there you
He's
go.
waiting for mommy.
That's right.
That's all right. That's all right. Hello, Sally. This is my those little cameras, movie cameras.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
oh,
it's the split, split video. There you go.
Is it an Apple product?
No, it's a kind of the new little thing. It's like.
What's up?
I know.
He's being a kid. Go out to pick it up. Wow, what's that, bro?
Do you have a cat?
What happened?
Look at now. Look at he got my curly hair the other day.
Oh, you got
So can you say hi to the camera now? It's a video camera.
Oh my god, I'm gonna talk. I never saw my dog.
Oh my God.
Maddie boy!
Maddie.
You're gonna hold him?
Oh my God, that's so cute.
Oh, come here, sweetheart.
He has a very cute face.
He burned his
Hey,
hand.
doggy. You have very cute face.
Okay, let's just see.
Hello, doggy.
Right about what?
Oh, that's cute. He's very well behaved.
Okay, let's just
Very well
sing.
behaved.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zach. Happy birthday to you.
Want me to move? No, I had
Zachy.
bad light.
Zachy. Hey, Zach.
It says it's my party. I can cry if I want.
It's my party. I want to.